Hello everyone, here we have the Harbor Freight radiator pressure test kit. I just picked this up a couple of days ago. A few days ago my wife calls me and said her Tahoe was overheating. When she got home I checked it and noticed the coolant reservoir was empty. I added coolant and did a visual inspection, but I couldn't find any leaks. I checked it the next day and it was low again, but still could not find any leaks. Now I've been wanting to buy this kit for a long time, so I thought this would be a good time to get one. So here it is. Price was 90 bucks. I used a 25% off coupon and final price was around 72 bucks. It comes with this real nice hard case. Nine screw-in style adapters. Hand pump. Has a quick release disconnect. A relief valve. It's made out of plastic. Comes with these universal adapters. Has the owner's manual here. And it'll actually show you what adapter to use according to the car make. Now I actually used this kit already and found the source of the leak very easily. According to the manual I should use the green adapter for GM vehicles, and that was correct. It screwed on very smoothly. I pumped it to 15 psi and found the leak immediately. I highly recommend buying this kit. As far as I'm concerned, it already paid for itself. Thanks for watching.